Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve the question number 14 of exercise 13a from D1. And in this question what they are saying, they are asking to find the area and the perimeter of a given figure. BOD is a diameter of a semicircle with center O. BOD is a diameter of a semicircle with center O. Smaller semicircle is OD. The smaller semicircle is OD and it has diameter 10 centimeter. And when we are observing this figure, then we can see the perimeter of the figure is this part, this part, this part, and then this curve part. So we need to find the perimeter of this figure, and these are the measurement. This side is 3 centimeter and then this side is also 3 centimeter. Then we need to find the perimeter of a given figure. How to find? First of all, we have to see one of the semicircle is this. So according to the formula of the semicircle, it is pi d over 2 for the perimeter of this part, and d is 20 centimeter. Then if we will see this part, that is also pi d over 2, and for this d is equals to 10 centimeter. So these are the two parts that we can add. Then this one, if this one is 10 and this one is also 10 and this is 3, so if the whole is 10 centimeter, then we can say this one will be 7 centimeter. So we can say pi d over 2 plus pi d over 2 for this part, and this part is 7, and then this one is 3 centimeter. So for perimeter we can say pi d over 2 plus pi d over 2 plus 7 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. Only two parts are remaining, this one and this one. We can see clearly that this is a quarter of the circle. Quarter of the circle means it should be pi d over 4, and this one is also a part of a quarter of the circle, so we can say it is also pi d over 4. According to this, the diameter is 14 for this, and for this the d is equals to, that is 10, then that is also 20 centimeter. For this, that is 20 centimeter. So we can put the values according to the given question. 20 centimeter divided by 2 plus pi d, here d is 10, pi 10 centimeter divided by 2 plus it will be 10 centimeter plus here pi and d is 14 centimeter, that is divided by 4, and then plus it will be pi 20 centimeter divided by 4. If we will add all these by using the calculator, we will get the answer. It will be 31.41 centimeter. It will be 15.707 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 10.99 centimeter, then plus it is 15.707 centimeter. Then we have to add all these values. 83.814 centimeter, and that is the perimeter of a given. Now we are doing area of a given figure of the similar question. In this question we are having area of a smaller circle that has 10 centimeter, then area of a bigger circle that has 20 centimeter d, and then we are having one of the part of this portion of this figure, and in this part we are having a logic that they are asking only the area of such part. So for this part, that is 7 centimeter, and for this whole, that is 10 centimeter. So for the semicircle, the formula will be pi r square over 2, and in this part r is equals to 10 centimeter. For this part, Again the formula is pi r square over 2, and for this part r is equals to 5 centimeter. And then we are having this part. For this part we can say we have to find the quarter of the circle. The whole quarter of the circle is pi r square over 4, and for this part r is equals to 10 centimeter. And then for only this part we have to subtract the bigger quarter of the circle from the smaller quarter of the circle. It will be pi r square over 4, and then r is equals to 7 centimeter. That is the basic information that we need to collect for this. So for area we can say pi r square over 2 plus pi r square over 2, pi r square over 2 for this part and pi r square over 2 for this part, and then plus, and then we need to find the area of the quarter of the circle. It's mean pi r square over 4 minus pi r square over 4. So for this r is equals to, for bigger one, the r is equals to 10 centimeter. For this r is equals to 5 centimeter, and for this the whole bigger one r is equals to 10 centimeter, and for this r is equals to 7 centimeter. These are the values that we need to put further. So we can say pi over 2 can be r square minus r square plus r square, and then pi over 4 into r square minus r square. It will give you the simple calculation. So pi r, it will be r is 10 centimeter minus 5 centimeter, then plus pi over 4, it will be 10 centimeter minus 7 centimeter.